What's up, boyo? Finally, we got a snowstorm, and we're gonna try it out. We're supposed to have a good amount of snow with that fall right there. It's so good. I'm probably gonna give it a bit more juice because right now I'm on the 140 amps. It's good when there's not that much snow, but I think right now it's gonna need the extra juice to get to some place. You go to Sintech controller app, you detect your device, you go in the parameter, it's in Russian because Russian is the best. You know what I mean? We're gonna read what's in there. We got 140 right now. We're gonna input 175. Right. Save. Close this. We're gonna turn off the bike. Wait until the dashboard turn off as well. At least 15 centimeter have dropped, and we got another 15s coming. I don't know how much it is in freedom unit, but I don't know, maybe a foot or two. So right now, just start back the bike. It's gonna activate the new setup, and now you're on 175. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, easy. Is that the river? Oh yeah. Need to start back. If I lift all my weight to the back, the ski tends to be on top of the snow. That's pretty good. Hey, my God, the snowstorm is picking up even more. Oh my God. Finally, man. Can't complain. Man, nobody's walking, man. They all be inside. Precaution turning the light off because the popo always park up here. Damp. sound that there's. Oh my god. Sick. Dropping the half pipe. Oh, finally a bit of more snow, but it handled pretty well. I guess it's just the battery is gonna be stuffing way less longer. Oh boy. My camera cut out. I just came back from a small ride I did. Use about 40 to 45%. You can tell that there's a lot more snow because it go all the way here before it was going all the way there. So I'm probably gonna go again. We did 11 kilometers, so 7 miles. Take it by the ski. You can tell that that was a bit too much. I will get stuck. There we go. Oh, no, that's not a good idea to go in the ditch, man. What a fucking dum-dum. Straight down. Yeah, cut that fucking thing. People are probably like, what the fuck is this? So good. Crash pile, boy. Whoop. Oh my god, it's so fun. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Endio band. I don't know where the track is. Yeah, I guess it's in front. Oh, okay, we're right next to the track. Oh. Get some power here. No, this is some random people's approach. There's even more snow than before. The wind starts picking up as well. Probably can't hear shit. Dude, it's pretty hard. I like a maximum speed right now. The bike's got no more juice. I need to keep on the hard trail. The battery might be cold as well, I don't know.